This is a 3-bed 2-bath located in the Bayview Gardens at 1371 Blackwood Street. Starting at the entrance, there are 2 sliding door closets on the immediate right. Directly ahead of the entrance is a foyer that bends leftwards. At the end of the foyer is an intersection that leads leftwards and rightwards. On the left is the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom features a large sliding door closet on the immediate left and a large glass window with rolling shades on the back right wall. Ahead of the primary bedroom doorway is the ensuite bathroom. Just prior to the ensuite bathroom, there is a closet on the left housing white, energy-efficient, stacked laundry machine and dryer. The ensuite bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, and tiled shower. The vanity features 2 drawers and 1 cupboard below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Rightwards of the foyer intersection is a hallway that leads straight. Immediately right of the hallway is the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, tiled shower and bathtub. The vanity features 6 drawers and 2 cupboards below a stone countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Across from the primary bathroom is the second bedroom. The second bedroom features a large glass window with rolling shades on the back right wall. On the immediate left is a large sliding door closet. Next to the second bedroom is the third bedroom on the right. The third bedroom features a large glass window with rolling shades on the back left wall. On the immediate right is a large sliding door closet. At the end of the hallway is the kitchen and living room. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, island with room for bar stools, stone countertop, as well as an oven and stovetop. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept design. The living room features a large glass window with rolling shades in the back right corner of the room. Left of the window there is a large glass sliding door with a rolling shade that leads onto a balcony.